What is up guys, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. We're gonna talk about 3 cool interesting themes which you might like, and in this video we have all those themes available on this Chinese theme store. If you're using a ROM which has a Chinese theme store, you might find them in the theme store easily. I'll provide the link in the description for this Chinese theme store link if I've got them, or you can easily install the MTZ file. I'll provide you the MTZ file link also in the description. These 3 themes are simple but minimalistic and looks really interesting, and I personally like them for some reasons. Which are those reasons and why I like them, why I like those themes, and which are those themes? In this video we're gonna take a look at those themes. Make sure to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. So guys, we're gonna take a look at all these themes one by one. First theme in my list is called Smile, and you can see the wallpaper is also kind of a smiley. The smiley wallpaper is available here, which is kind of a little bit of hidden behind the icons, but the icons are looking really great here. You can see every icon is kind of a themed here, and something looking really interesting. These are kind of a very simple looking icons, but I like them personally. These icons are not that much heavy icons, but not lightly themed, but looks really cool here. Talking about status bar icons, nothing is changed here. You'll see some Chinese letters here because these are inspired from Chinese theme store. Going for a control center, no much customizations here. Also, the best thing about this theme is only the wallpaper and also the lock screen wallpaper. Lock screen wallpaper is even better than the normal home screen wallpaper. You can see the smiley again here. It reminds you to smile every day, and this is really nice. Other thing seems to be same here. You can see here same kind of things. If you talk about your dialer pad, everything is same, no extra theming here. As I previously told you, settings has some little bit of theming option available like this. These are some icons which you might get themed, but nothing extra to talk about. Moving on to our second theme. The second theme is actually in fully Chinese. Some Chinese words are there, but yes, what are the reasons behind using this theme? It includes a lot of things. First of all, the widgets. 3 widgets are available which are looking something interesting. Also, you can see the status bar icons look really great here. And talking about the control center, no extra theming in the control center, which I was expecting, but that is not the big case. The wallpaper on the lock screen was from the smile theme, and the wallpaper on the home screen and the icons are inspired from this theme. I will use this theme. I will definitely install all those themes and customize them one by one because I love to use the customizations. These icons are really interesting. I think so I made a video on this theme already, but I was not sure, so that's why I thought I should include it once again. The things which you get here: settings theming, as we already know, which was expected too, and the home screen wallpaper, the new widgets, the status bar icons. The status bar icons are really nicest. Your network traffic, network bars, and your Wi-Fi icon both are looking great, including your battery icon. And talking about the things, you only have this dialer button themed, but nothing else, nothing about the keys and something like that. Everything seems to be same here, no extra things. Talking about this lock screen, the wallpaper seems to be really nice. Other things kind of a same thing. If you click here and you will not see anything, you just click here like this. Some shortcuts options are available, and you can also you can use settings for this, but which were of no use for Indian users, for other users if you don't understand the language Chinese. Last but not the least, this theme is really interesting too. This has a very cool kind of icon pack. These are some cool kind of themes which has very cool kind of icon pack, but the thing which I liked about this theme is the widget. The widget looks really nice here. You can simply check out your weather here, and everything seems to be nice. The time, date and day, and status bar icons are kind of AOSP, but it includes the control center theming, which was one of the reasons behind adding this theme in my list. The control center theming is quite good here. You can see rounded kind of brightness slider, and all those icons are themed a little bit, so I will definitely install all those 3 themes and make it customizable by installing a lock screen wallpaper from the smile theme, home screen and customization from the second theme, and the control center theming from the third theme. So I'll definitely install all those 3 themes to make it looking beautiful. Other thing seems to be same here. Settings has some little bit of icons theme like these kind of things. Whatever you want to choose, all of these themes have kind of the same things, and things about your dialer pad, almost same kind of things, just 3 icons change here but nothing else. No extra things, but these 3 themes look normal and looks really good, and this lock screen clock is quite good too. All those things I just want to share with you were in this video. I hope you like them. If you like them, don't forget to like and share this video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe me. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.